Hi everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how to filter out unwanted or spam email in your Gmail. So I was getting a lot of spam emails, so I looked into it, did a lot of research, and this was the best way that I found to filter out your settings. So what you want to do is log into your Gmail using the gmail.com, basically the web browser. Like I use my mail app on a Mac to check Gmail, but to do this you want to go directly here to your Gmail website, so gmail.com, to your email box here, and you want to click settings up here. So I'm going to click settings, that's over here, and then go down to settings again. That will take you to the settings page, and under settings page you have this filter and blocked addresses bar. So if you click that, there's a couple of things you could do here. You could do filters from incoming mail. So you could do that by creating a new filter, or you could do it by blocking email addresses. Now, this doesn't quite block out spam. You could do this individually if you're getting a lot of spam from your uncle, for example, that are jokes that you don't want to get. You could do that here. But what I want to do is create a new filter here and use a keyword to filter out spam. So if I click that, there's a couple of things it's going to let me do. So you could do from an email or to an email. So if you wanted to block a specific email address here, in this case, I'm getting spams from all kinds of different things. So what I want to do is under has the words, I want to use a word unsubscribe. The reason why I'm using this word is because almost every marketing message, every unwanted message has a unsubscribe link on the bottom of it. So by having the word, it has this word in the email, it will filter out a lot of different emails just like that has the word unsubscribe. So you could do this with a lot of different words here. You could do the word pills. You get a lot of spam on pills, but Gmail usually does a good job taking those out by itself. So it's not necessary to do general spam, but unsubscribe usually starts by doing a lot of cleanup. So you could start here. Next, we want to say create a filter. So we're going to press that, and it's going to ask you what you want to do once you get that email. So if you're a little worried about it and you don't want to use emails, you could just say put it in a specific folder or forward it somewhere else to maybe another Gmail. Or in this case, I'm going to just say delete it because the deleted messages will exist for 30 days. So I'm not really going to completely make it disappear. It'll just go to the deleted folder in my trash can, and I could check it just to make sure I'm not missing anything once in a while. I'm going to say create filter. So now everything that has the word unsubscribe on it, which would be an unsubscribe link on a lot of unwanted messages, is set here. So you could create multiple filters like this. So if you want to do it from a specific email address, I suggest you do that on top of what you already have. Press create filter, and then you could have multiple things going on. And as Gmail gets smarter, you could just keep adding to this to have a lot of different matches under this word and really get your Gmail account tuned in to be very interactive with blocking spam emails. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more tech videos just like this one. And I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time.